It's holidays. Let's go. It's fixing time. We're gonna start by picking up everything. Putting our bags in our rooms, in our locker.
These are my shoes.
Yeah, hold on, let Chanel first of all take off all of those things. Where is Kyra?
Welcome to another episode. Family, today's holidays. I look for a soup.
Yes, Papa, it's clean up. It's clean up there.
It's not real day, it's holiday.
It's holidays and we're cleaning. Skyra, where are you? It's holiday.
If you have to clean. Today's holiday.
Just go get the shoes, please. Teamwork makes a... Whose dress is that hanging on that glass? Good job, Pa. Let's clean up.
You scared me.
Sorry.
What?
I said sorry. You said I scared you now.
No.
Good job, Master. So what are you about to do?
Clean my clothes.
To put your...
Shoes inside.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this here. First, you wipe your inside cover, then second, you put your shoes aside, and third, you wipe it on the floor. Does Skylar even wear her shoes?
Of course.
I'm wiping my shoes.
Okay. No, Skyra didn't wipe her shoes.
I'm wiping my shoes.
Okay.
Now let me clean my next table. First shoe has to be the grass. And my second shoe? No. Yeah. So this is for me while we play. No, not really. Okay.
Go get another one. That's it. Okay, we're putting it. Then we set everything.
This is no mine. This is other changes. This still fit you.
Yes, I'm gonna wash it. Up you go. Up you go. No more jackets. Winter is over.
What? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Mommy, that is for me to grow. Mommy, that is jacket for me.
Yes, you can carry those ones there. Those pairs. Carry the bag, please.
Yeah.
You know where it's going to, right? The black one is going to your room. The red one is going to Skyra's room. The pink one is going to Chanel's room. You can carry two at once.
Okay, can we actually forward?
Are you sure?
And the sun at the same time.
Okay. Be careful.
It looks like I'm going on vacation.
It looks like you're going on vacation.
Yeah?
Please, when you go, you change that pants of yours, okay?
Wow.
Because it has burst. Say why. Can you pass me that, please?
What can I do, Mommy? Simple. What can I do?
Just look for something and do. Free pushing out.
No. Oh. Mommy says to play honey.
Wow, good job, Shani. Good job. Let's see who's gonna make a clean job.
Me. I'm only gonna make it clean job. Oh.
Good job, Skyra. Good job, Pa. Good job, Shana.
Good job, everybody. Good job, Mommy.
Thank you, Papa. See, look at what Shana is doing. Good job, guys.
Good job, Mom. Is it cooking too? I want it every day. Even when it's nighttime.
Now it's Shana's turn.
You're finished. Here's the door. The shoes are very nice. I'm so excited.
Yeah, baby.
I'm so excited to eat my food. Me too. I'm so hungry. I have to eat everything. Happy Father's Day.
Hey guys, everybody's shoes are well fixed. Okay. And everywhere has been wiped properly. This whole place, it's clean.
Today, guys, we are just focusing on where we put our shoes, our jackets. We put all the jackets, all the school bags upstairs, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Peace out. Bye.